In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove games from library on your PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you're looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, go to your games library, and here in your games library, if you want to hide, you have to press this button. But the problem is that there is no option to hide, but there is option to delete. But if you go to your collections, and from here you can hide any game that you want. So to hide a game, you have to press this button, then here go on hide and press X and wait for a few seconds, and that game is hidden. And so this is how you can remove games from your library in your collection. Thanks for watching.